to get that one seeker with that's color purple. I'm still trying to get that. I hope you guys enjoy my content. It would be really nice if you guys could help me reach 50 subscribers. That's just my starter goal. If you guys could actually do that for me.